let's bring these distant flowers, just bring them to life a little bit. And one way we can do this is if I go back to this one that I painted earlier, if you see the granulation in that now, that's, you know, that's worked out lovely. And I hope to do that with my main flower. When I paint a couple of the main flowers on, I hope to, you know, just get that amount of detail, and I hope I can get an effect like that. But one thing you can do, if you've got a brush like this at all, it's a rake. This is good. You can either use a brush, as a normal brush, if you haven't got one of these, a dry brush, and spread it out like that for what I'm going to do, and or get one of these brushes that come in 2 or 3 sizes. I've got these 2. They're only cheap, you know, from the SAA. So what I thought was quite nice, if you look at the detail on a sweet pea flower, I know we're not painting hardly any details, but if you just get a brush like this, and then just a little bit of something, just drag it over. Hold on. You don't have to, don't go overboard if you do it, but you follow the curve of the flower. I'll hold it up to the camera a bit more in a minute. Just gives that little, where the little veins are and everything. It doesn't matter if you come off the flower either, that gives it a bit of life. So just a little touch like that is a nice thing to do. If you wanted to do that just here and there on any of your flowers in the background. And I mean, don't go overboard, but something like this one here, what I've got, if I do it on that,